Good morning, class 6 students. Students, as you know, we have done the reading portion of chapter number 2. Now, we are going to discuss the question answer. So, let's start. Which is given on page number 16, and this is your part 5 of chapter 2. Question number 1. Answer the following question brief. The first question is, what is the true shape of the earth? Globe, the true shape of the earth is slightly flattened. The shape of the earth is flattened at the north and the south pole bulges in the middle. So this is the slightly flattened is the shape of the earth. B is, what is globe? Globe is the true model of the earth. What is globe? It's the model of the earth. C. What is the latitudinal value of Tropic of Cancer? The latitude value of Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north of equator. D part. The What are the three heat zones of the earth? The three heat zones of the earth is the torrid zone, the temperate zone and the frigid zone. E part. What are the parallels of latitude and meridian of longitude? The parallels, these are all the imaginary lines. The imaginary parallel circle from the equator to the pole is called the parallels of latitude, and the imaginary set of semicircle lines that run the north pole to the south pole are the meridians of the longitude. F part. Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? The torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year of all the latitude of this area. That's why it receives a maximum amount of heat. DG is, why is it 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London? Because London is situated at the 0 degree of longitude. Greenwich means the GMT in India is located at the and India is located at the 82.5 degree east, and there is a difference between the 5 or 30 minutes ahead. That's why India will be having a 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London. Now, question number 2. Tick the correct answers. The value of the prime meridian is, second answer is second 0 degree. B. The frigid zone lies near 1 poles. C. The total amount of longitudes are, first part 360 degree. D. The Antarctic Circle is located in second part the southern hemisphere. E. The grids in the network of, first part, parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude. Now, question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A part. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23.5 degree of south of equator. B. The standard meridian in India is 82.5 degree east. C. The 0 degree meridian is also known as the prime meridian. D. The distance between the longitude decreases towards the poles. E. The Arctic Circle is located in the dash hemisphere. It's on the northern hemisphere. Students, as you know, I have discussed all the question answers which are given in your textbook. Students, if you have any problem regarding the question answers, you can take the help of the planner. Students, this planner is easily available at the school and you can buy it. Thank you, class.